Soft serve at home, a little dispensing handle. Kids pulling their own swirl at a birthday party. That's the dream Ninja finally shipped this year, and it made Oprah's favorite things list for 2025. But here's the twist. The original CREAMi already has 11,000 verified reviews at 4.4 stars, and it costs a lot less. So which tier actually belongs on your counter? The original, the deluxe, or the flashy new swirl? Quick note, links below are affiliate. Doesn't cost you a cent extra. Let's settle this. Here's how this works. 3 CREAMi tiers, 5 rounds, 1 honest answer. We're judging dessert range, capacity, and flavors. The soft serve factor, everyday living, and value for money. No fluff, no hands-on theatrics. Just what verified buyers report and what the spec sheets actually show. Each round names one winner. At the end, we tally the score and match each machine to the household it fits. Let's meet the 3. First up, the original CREAMi. This is the one that went viral, and the numbers back it up. 11,000 verified reviews sitting at 4.4 stars. That's the biggest social proof stack of any ice cream maker in the category. You get 7 one-touch programs: ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-inch. The magic is Creamify. Freeze a pint of your base overnight, drop it in, and about 3 minutes later, you've got scoopable dessert. The pints hold 16 ounces. They come with storage lids, and you refreeze what you don't finish. Protein crowd, listen up. The light ice cream program is tuned for low sugar and high protein bases, which is why fitness folks love this thing. The mix-in program folds cookies, candy, or fruit through an already processed pint without turning it into soup. It's also the most compact of the 3 tiers, so it actually fits under a cabinet. Pints, lids, and paddle are dishwasher safe. This is the entry point, and it's the cheapest of the 3 by a noticeable margin. Next, the deluxe. Think of this one as the family size upgrade. You jump from 7 programs to 11. And the 4 new ones are the fun ones: slushies, frozen drinks, Italian ice, and a cremicino program for frozen coffee treats. That's a summer party menu the original can't run. The pints go XL at 24 ounces. That's half again more dessert per spin, which matters when you're feeding 4 kids instead of feeding yourself on a Tuesday night. The headliner feature here is dual flavor processing. Split 1 XL pint into 2 flavors, top and bottom, and serve them from the same container. Chocolate and vanilla, mango and raspberry, whatever you want. The Creamify core is the same as the original, just scaled up. Verified reviews sit at 4.4 stars, right in line with the original's rating. Heads up on one thing: the XL build is taller, so measure your cabinet clearance before you commit. Pints, lids, and paddle are dishwasher safe. Price sits a modest step above the original, not a giant jump. And now, the showstopper. The Swirl is Ninja's 2025 flagship, and it does something no other CREAMi can. Real, soft serve, on demand, at home. There's a dispensing handle on the front. You pull it, and out comes a proper soft serve swirl into a cone or a cup. That's the feature that landed this machine on Oprah's Favorite Things 2025. You get 13 one-touch programs, the biggest menu of any CREAMi to date. It's a 2-in-1 machine. You can scoop from the pint like the older models or swirl through the handle. The pints hold 16 ounces and work for both modes. There's an 800-watt motor doing the work. Verified reviews average 4.4 stars, same rating as the other 2 tiers. But this is the one that turns dessert into a moment. Kids pull their own swirl at a birthday party. Guests build their own sundaes after dinner. It's an experience purchase, not just a kitchen appliance, and it carries the biggest jump on the ladder. A serious leap up from the deluxe, and nearly double what the original costs. Round 1, dessert range. How many different frozen treats can each machine make? The original runs 7 programs, and they cover the essentials well. The deluxe adds 4 more, jumping to 11, including slushies and frozen coffee drinks. The Swirl tops the ladder at 13 programs, the widest menu in the CREAMi lineup. If sheer variety is what you're chasing, the Swirl takes this round on the spec sheet alone. Point to the Swirl. Round 2. Capacity and flavors. This one's about feeding a house. The original and the Swirl both use 16-ounce pints. That's fine for 1 or 2 people. The Deluxe uses XL 24-ounce pints, half again more dessert per spinch, and it's the only tier that can split a single pint into 2 flavors, top and bottom. For families and entertainers, that combination is genuinely hard to beat. Round 2 goes clean to the Deluxe. Score is tied so far, and the round most people think decides this whole video is coming next. But keep watching. The last 2 rounds flip the story in a way you probably aren't expecting. Round 3, the soft serve factor. This is the round the Swirl was built to winch the original scoops. The Deluxe scoops, only the Swirl has the dispensing handle that pulls a real soft serve curl into a cone. If soft serve is what you actually want, if that's the picture in your head, no other creamy tier gets you there. This one isn't close. Point to the Swirl. Round 4. Everyday living. This is where the Tuesday night reality matters. Footprint, cabinet clearance, cleanup, and how often you'll actually pull it out. The original is the most compact of the 3. The Deluxe is taller because of the XL pint. The Swirl adds the dispensing tower. All 3 have dishwasher-safe pints, lids, and paddles. For a machine you'll use every week without thinking about it, the original wins on daily livability. Point to the original. Round 5, value for money. And this is the round that decides the whole video. The original sits at the bottom of the price ladder and carries 11,000 verified reviews at 4.4 stars. That's the deepest proof stack in the category, at the lowest price of the 3. The Deluxe is a modest step up. The Swirl is the biggest jump on the ladder, nearly double the entry point. The soft serve trick is real, and it's genuinely fun. But on pure dollars to dessert, nothing catches the original. Point to the original. Final tally. The original takes 2 rounds. The Swirl takes 2 rounds. The Deluxe takes 1. On rounds alone, it's a tie at the top. But value is the tiebreaker, and value belongs to the original. So here's the honest per household answer. If you're a solo cook, a couple, or you're in the protein and low-sugar crowd churning weekly pints, the original is the pick. It does 80% of what the Swirl does, at a much lower entry point, with 11,000 people already vouching for it. If you're feeding a family, you love frozen drinks, or you want 2 flavors in 1 pint, the Deluxe is the right upgrade. It's a modest step up for a genuinely bigger machine. And if you're the party house, the one that hosts, the one with the birthday crowd, the one where soft serve pulled from a handle is going to earn its keep, then yes, the Swirl is worth the leap. That's the resolution to the question we opened with. The Swirl is the showstopper. The original is the smart buy. Match the machine to the life you actually live. All 3 creamy tiers are linked in the description below, so you can grab whichever one matches your kitchen. If this comparison helped you cut through the noise, hit subscribe. We comb through thousands of verified reviews so you don't have to. And we drop a new head-to-head like this one every week. Kitchen gear is expensive. Buying the wrong tier is more expensive. See you in the next one.